What's up, guys? New project here. Be the Mossberg 590 pump shotgun in the Lord's other caliber 12 gauge. Why a shotgun, you ask? Well, because how else would I be able to talk like a rat thumb for no reason? Right, 12 gauge, seriously. Done tons of research recently, following a lot of smart people smarter than me. Really come to find out that shotgun is not dead. So I'm starting a new project here. This is the stock home defense model, 6-round tube, 18-inch barrel. I would have preferred a longer mag tube, but you know, if I find that necessary moving forward, I'll probably just look for a +2 extension. Right now the gun is completely stock. I have fired 0 rounds. You are going to start the break-in process with me. So, without further ado, you want to hear talk about technique, mindset, the gear specifically, a specific aspect of the gear, modifications, whatever. Let me know. We'll explore that together. I'm super scatterbrained, so a lot of what you guys get is just raw me out having fun, learning things for myself. Alright, so I haven't done a ton of training with this gun yet. Just enough live fire and dry fire to get familiar and break it in a little bit. Gun was actually really sticky from the factory, so I had to do a little bit of polishing and work to get the slide moving smoothly. I went ahead and threw the Magpul stock and forend on here, as well as an RMR I had sitting around. That RMR is sitting on, I would say, a Chinesium copy of the Aridus Crom mount. Poor shame me if you want, but it seems to work. I'm gonna run it and make sure. If it falls off, it falls off. 20 bucks down the drain, and I'll get something better. The factory safety is pretty stiff. I see that to be a really common complaint on the 590 series guns. It's not an issue that I've seen on the 590A1, as that one has a different safety selector. But on the run-of-the-mill 590s, it appears that they all have a plastic safety that's revving up against a metal receiver. If that's a problem for you, you can change it out for, 15 bucks. No big deal. On the other side, we have the gray S-Tac Velcro shotgun card, 7-rounder. If you guys aren't familiar with these, they are pretty freaking awesome. Can keep the gun fully loaded with an extra 7 rounds on the side. Zero issue running the gun with the brass down. These are nice and tight. They're not going to let them fall out. You can also carry extras of these in your pocket, on a plate carrier, on a belt, however you want to maul ninja around. I went with the gray on the stock and the forend, as well as the shotgun card, because I'm about that gray man life. Final accessory here, we have the Blue Collar Tactical 2-point sling from Amazon. It's very, very basic. It's made from 1-inch tubular nylon, but it gets the job done. It's not adjustable on the fly, but for somebody on a budget, this thing can't be beat at its price. So you also got a set of these really nice dummy rounds for the 12 gauge. Got a pack of 10 of these. They're really nice, really realistic feeling, real brass, and very similar plastic and texturing to the real deal shells. Okay, I'm dry. So for a reload here, there's a couple ways to go. You can pull it down, tuck the butt under the arm, use a thumb, push a shell down. I'm gonna come over, drop one into the chamber. Take the second round into the tube. If we need to get back in the action like that, we can.